Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss the Tata Sumo is making a comeback in 2025, bringing a fresh design, modern features, and improved performance while staying true to its legacy as a tough, reliable, and spacious SUV. Known for its durability and practicality, the Sumo has been a favorite in India for decades, and the new model aims to reclaim its place in the SUV market with updated technology, a bold design, and improved efficiency. The design of the 2025 Tata Sumo is more modern and muscular. It retains its boxy, rugged appeal but now features a redesigned front grille, LED headlights, and sharper body lines for a more aggressive stance. With higher ground clearance, skid plates, and roof rails, the Sumo is built for both urban roads and tough off-road adventures. The rear has also been updated with LED taillights and a modernized tailgate, adding to its bold presence. Inside, the interior has been completely refreshed with premium upholstery, a larger touchscreen infotainment system, and a fully digital instrument cluster. Expect a spacious cabin that can comfortably seat up to 7 or 9 passengers, making it an ideal choice for large families or commercial use. Features like automatic climate control, connected car technology, a 360-degree camera, and rear AC vents ensure comfort and convenience for all passengers. Under the hood, the 2025 Tata Sumo is expected to come with a new generation diesel engine, possibly a 2.0L turbo diesel delivering improved power and fuel efficiency. Tata could also introduce a mild hybrid or CNG variant to cater to eco-conscious buyers. The transmission options may include both manual and automatic choices, with an optional all-wheel drive (AWD) system for those looking for extra capability. In terms of technology and safety, Tata is known for prioritizing safety, and the new Sumo will likely come equipped with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, traction control, hill assist, and a reinforced body structure. With Tata's reputation for high safety standards, the 2025 Sumo could earn a strong safety rating. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Tata Sumo is expected to be priced competitively, starting at around 10 Indian rupees lakh, $12,000, for the base model and going up to 15 Indian rupees lakh, $18,000, for the top-end variant. This makes it an affordable yet rugged option for those who need a powerful and practical SUV. The 2025 Tata Sumo is set to make a strong impact in the Indian SUV market, offering a blend of modern features, off-road capability, and practicality. Whether for personal or commercial use, it remains a reliable workhorse with a new age appeal. Thanks for watching. If you're excited about the return of the Tata Sumo, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. What do you think about this legendary SUV's comeback? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.